Good afternoon, guys. What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Papi Mangu. And Mangu to your investments, guys. Hope you guys like and subscribe to the channel. It's down. It's over there. It's over there. All right. If you ain't like the video, like it right now. Take time before I start. Like that video. Subscribe if you haven't, and turn those post notifications on, guys. Do it for the Mangu. Do it for the avocado, man. Do it for the Mangu and the avocado. All right. Alright, let's get right into it, guys. Last night we had a huge pumpage last night, guys. We went to all-time high. Oh wow, okay. We went to all-time high yesterday, guys, at 68.50. At 68.5, guys. 68.5. 68,500 is our new all-time high. About a new all-time high, and honestly, guys, it couldn't be more happier. I could not be more happier at the fact that Bitcoin is breaking levels of resistance and breaking all-time high. Not only just Bitcoin, guys, but Ethereum as well. Ethereum last night formed a new all-time high at 48.50. Around 48.50, more like 48.40. But still, that's a lot, man. That's a lot. But hey, man, looks like Bitcoin is retesting. Well, look at, I could move this up here now. Now we'll put that back down there, but I'm gonna zoom out on the daily so we can get a better understanding. Guys, look at that! Look at that formation. Remember what I said, guys? This is a huge cup and handle formation. This is a huge cup and handle formation, and then this is the handle, and we're just trying to break out of this handle, guys. But we could see a retracement as we get closer to this, this closing apex right here. We could see a retracement, but I don't see that happening. I do not see that happening because Bitcoin is going strong. Bitcoin is going up strong, and honestly, now let's... We already see that, and now we could just say that... We could just say this. This is what we could say now. We're going to bounce off here. Probably keep consolidating up here. Turn 60,000 into support, guys. If we turn 60,000 into support, then at this point, this is a This is a good buying opportunity, like to set your like a very small portion, like $50 to $100. This is big money, guys. Just so you know, this is big money. Bitcoin's big money. We're not here for the quick flips, nothing like that. This is big money. You hodl for years and years to come, guys. If you're hodling, this is a good position, guys, because we just touched all-time high. Now we're $2,000 away from all-time high. You buy now, you get like a 1% increase, but still, you get your position in, and then you follow the market as it goes. But this isn't financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor or anybody at that fact. Nobody on YouTube, on any social platform, is not your financial advisor unless you're physically seeing a financial advisor, alright? So don't listen to anybody, including me, on YouTube about money. When it comes to money, you want to invest in, alright? I'll tell you what's a good buy, but I'm not going to tell you to buy it. Feel me? Because in my opinion, honestly, this morning when it was at like... Oh, let me do it right here. Like earlier today when it was at 66,000, I figured that was a buy. I thought I could have bought that, and then boom, look at what happened. 67. Anyway, yeah, that's just what I think about Bitcoin. I didn't see much news on Bitcoin. Just came back from work, so I wasn't too into the news. I wasn't too into the news per se, but there's a lot of adoption going on. Visa cards adopting. Visa card in like the Asian region of the world, their Visa card is accepting crypto, like they're doing a whole crypto algorithm, guys, where it's like they convert their fiat money. And guys, fiat means like just money. It just means money, currency. It's like a dollar. A fiat is a dollar. So if you can change your fiat into into crypto according to what that article said. We'll look into some articles later. We'll have time. All right, let's look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin, you know, we're just going sideways right now. Still hopefully trying to break out. Oh, this long apex, guys. Look at that apex. Look at Dogecoin's gonna get some strong moves coming in. Dogecoin is gonna get some strong movement coming in, guys. As you can see, we could either bounce off this RSI right here in this neutral. We could keep going up based on the MAC. No, yeah, dude. Based on the MACD, we're just at the brink of fighting. So it's make or break. It's really make or break at this point. Based on the MACD, based on the RSI, guys. Whatever happens next, it could either shoot it straight up or back to a support line. Back at what? Back at like 25 cent. Back to the 25-23 cent range. And honestly, I wouldn't complain, because I need to buy some more Dogecoin anyway. So bring it Bears, bring it down to 25-23 cents. I'll be buying more regardless. I'm gonna do this the opposite of what you guys are doing, man. Honestly, you can't hold me down. You can't hold me back. You can't hold the Dogecoin down, because the Doge is superior. All right, now let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum is still following its uptrend this morning, breaking all-time high again, and you know, it's just still setting higher highs and higher lows, guys. You know, we could retrace back to 45,000. I mean 4,500. We could retrace back to 4,500. We go to 4,500, then we boom, head our way all the way to 5,000. That's, you see this end line right here. This is our end goal. We go boom, and then boom, 5,000. We reach 5,000 in a matter of a few days before this weekend. People are speculating before the weekend Ethereum could see 5,000. And don't take my word for it. Don't take their word for it. But just watch out. Watch out for it. Do your own research. Figure out if you also think. Let me know down in the comments if you also think Ethereum will hit 5,000 before the weekend ends. Alright, guys. Let's check Solana. Solana, we're getting rejected right now. We could hit the support line at 231. Not sure. You know, we could get bought up around here. Just look at the RSI, guys. RSI is dropping. The MACD is dropping. We could have a little correction, because, you know, Solana did pump up a lot. And, guys, altcoin season's coming early. So you got to remember that. So this could either be a buy. It could, to me, I'll consider this putting in your position, getting ready for the hodl, to hodl long term, because, you know, Solana's projected to hit $1,000 by the end of this market cycle, this bull market cycle. And mind you, that's just I'm hoping that happens. I'm not sure if it's gonna happen. We're all not sure, but guys, watch out for a correction coming soon from Solana. Solana could crash down as it is now. As it is now, the Solana is kind of just slightly crashing down based on the MACD and the RSI. But you never know. We could get a reversal. Coming in soon. If we touch down here, we could just bounce off and just go straight up. Form this high up here. Alright, but that's in due time. Or we could bounce down here, you know, like I said, go back to 214 before we reach back to all-time high. But remember, guys, we have these double mountains. We have these double mountain corrections, and then we push up. Look at double mountain, and then maybe a correction, and then we could push up. That's what I'm seeing. That's what I'm seeing in the pattern right now. There's also you could kind of see that we're forming a. Hold on, let me draw it in. So you guys are, cause look at, guys, I could draw now. Look at it. 1, 2, 3. That's a head and shoulder. Let me make that brighter or something. Okay, I guess I can't make all them bright, but you guys see that pattern playing out. I see that pattern playing out too, and as soon as like we hit this line right here, say we don't, since we're getting rejected right here. Say we do bounce off here, that's confirmation that we're going up. If not, that means we got a bearish signal. We're going down here. Anyway, let's go check out 88. 88, like I said yesterday. Nope. Like I said yesterday, we had to break through these two lines, and look what we did exactly. We exactly did that, and then touched 230. Did I or did I not call? Like, I didn't call this move, but I did say our next resistance is 230. And what did we manage to do? We managed to hit 230, and now we're trying to turn that into support. We turn that into support. We could see what happens, but for now, let's say, for now we just gotta wait. We gotta wait to see what this forms. This is a W pattern. We just went straight up, you know, but we broke out of here. Now we could delete these lines, and this line could actually go like this. Could go like this. Now we could keep bouncing off this, guys. Could keep bouncing off this. Only in due times tell in the short term if we do break out of this cycle, break out of this line right here. I'm surely hoping we do. I'm positive we do, but you just never know with this market, guys. And oh yeah, look at that. I like that. I love this. I love this chart, guys. I really do love this chart. All right, let's check Matic. Matic, we're breaking down. We broke down out of our trend line, so we're not. We didn't form a new high, a low high. But yeah, we're speculating now. I speculate that we'll be going down some, since you know, just go through a little correction. I wouldn't discount Matic. Matic is a great buy right now. In my opinion, Matic is a great buy. It is holding up some support right here at 179, 180. Let's see here. Holding some nice support from here, going up. And then this trend line from here going down. So guys, we could trade in between this triangle right here. Let's see what goes on in the market. We could consolidate a little more, probably break down a little more. I hope not, but we are very oversold right now. We are very oversold right now, and looks like based on the MACD, we could keep consolidating. We could keep consolidating, so just watch out for that, guys. Then if we're gonna just keep consolidating, then I should say that in this range right here is where I would say we could bottom out in the short term. Worst case scenario, we go down to 150. But honestly, I don't see Matic going that down. I don't see it going that down unless it really has to. Remember, these are healthy, guys. If you see this drop right here, this is really healthy, and honestly, it shows. It shows a lot. VeChain. This is our recent buy, guys. I told you do research on VeChain. See if you wanna. I mean Vetcoin. See if you like it. If you don't, that's fine. I like Vet. I bought into Vet. That wasn't financial advice when I said to buy it. But my educational advice for you guys was to look it up. All right. But as you can see, when I announced it, it was like around here, saying, okay, this is more likely a buy, and then boom, it went up to 18 cents, and we're trading at 17 cents. So we formed a new high, as we also formed a high low. So that confirms an uptrend for Vet. So expect to go down to 16. Expect to go down to 16 cents, but if we go down to 15 cents, then that means that we're going bearish. But to continue this uptrend, we got to go down to at least 16 cents. All right. So let's watch out for that. Let's check Atom. We tried to break out, but we got stuck in this. Got stuck back in this apex. So we'll be trading sideways until we get in here. Based on the RSI and the MACD, we're just gonna consolidate, go down, have a little correction possibly. We didn't pump up like that. We pumped up like what is that, 5%, almost 5%. Yeah, it's something light, something light might. But Atom's a great coin. It's, hold on, let me show you guys. Did it recently hit an all-time high? Does it tell us around? Okay, it's in neutral technical. In technicals, it's neutral. So that means it's not a buy. But I guess this all-time high was up here in the 45 cents, $45. Let me go. Oh, we're on the 2 hours. Let's go way back. Yeah. So recently, friendly with the all-time high. If we break out of here, hopefully this takes us back there, or it tests our overhead resistance. Yeah, 45 at our previous all-time high. So let's see what happens there, guys. XRP's been going up. We're at an uptrend right now, guys. XRP is looking extremely bullish. XRP is looking extremely bullish, guys. You wanna know why? Their SEC case is wrapping up. The SEC case is wrapping up, and there's speculation around going that XRP could 10x. It means go to $10, way past all-time high. But in this bull cycle, in my opinion, we won't get that 10x until, say, like December. To be honest, I don't see it happening overnight or anything like that. I'm very new to XRP. I'm just now getting into them. I'm just now doing my research. But way back then, before this year, before the SEC started getting involved, they're a huge crypto project, and huge crypto projects, they get overlooked, and XRP is a great one. It's a great example of a crypto project that's just very innovative, and it's getting mass adoption, guys. You guys gotta count the adoption rate for your crypto when you're looking into it. So as you can see, we're just in an uptrend, a clear uptrend, and we're only going to keep going up. And honestly, if we do, like I said, it'll take us to 150, and maybe beyond. Because look at our overhead resistance is at like 142. Because we broke past this 120 line, this 120 resistant, the 125 resistant. Now our next target is $1.40. $1.40 resistant. So let's hope that we can break that. Right now, it looks like on the MACD we might flip bearish. As you can see, the orange or red line, it's about to cross over the blue line, which indicates that we will be going down. Yeah, yep, that's what it indicates. That indicates that we will be going down as soon as that red line goes above the blue line, guys. So that's what you gotta watch out when you're looking at this. Look for the blue line crossing over the red, because when the blue crosses over the red, that means we're in a bullish trend. Because as you can see, look what followed that. Look what follows that. This huge green, this huge mountain right here. But look at the RSI as well. Looks like we still have room to go up. Let's check that on the 2 hour. Yeah, in the 2 hour. Oh yeah, look at it. Just look at it. Just look at it, guys. Looks like the blues already might flip it. Anyways, check Mana. Mana, guys. Mana is a crypto metaverse project, and unfortunately, it's breaking down under our trend line. Cause look at that huge pumpage, guys. And this was at the announcement. That was at the announcement that Facebook is rebranding to Meta. So that made all the metaverse tokens just skyrocket. It just explode, guys. It just made it explode. Let's check on the daily. This was only a couple days, several days ago that this happened. But we are flipping bearish that we broke down. Now that we broke down. So in my opinion, let's look at the 4 hour. In my opinion, we could be trading sideways for a long time for Mana, but I wouldn't say this is a bottom. I wouldn't consider this a buy. Well, I would consider this a nibble. Like, I would nibble some in here because it did drop kind of significantly. Like, what was it? Like 10%, 5% from the top to the bottom. From $5 to $2, that's like 40%, 50. No, yeah, Unless how much was it down here? It was like almost $1 at 86 cents, going up to 5. That's like 100 at 4, almost 5. It's like 100x, something like that. Down back to 250. Yeah, that's like a 50% drop, guys. I would say 20 to 50% drop. I would consider it a neutral buy. People are speculating it's a buy, almost neutral buy. So, watch out for that. I would watch if you really do want to get involved with the metaverse and what's going on. Because guys, the metaverse and NFTs are booming. They're blowing up. Look up NFTs. Look up metaverse. Get involved with those. I'm gonna be getting myself involved. I'm gonna be doing NFTs as well really soon. Because I want to tap into my creative side and go back to drawing again, and make NFTs that I could sell for myself as well. But in due time, guys. In due time. Anyway, let's look at crypto.com. Crypto.com recently, it's alright. Look at this chart, guys. What am I gonna do with this chart? You can't do much. Crypto.com though, it was lower than this. I guess they just recently listed it on Coin. Yeah, they did recently list it on Coinbase. But this is there another Crypto.com? CRO, Coinbase, KuCoin. Let's look at this one. Here we go. Alright, this is better. This is way better. I'm gonna delete this one. Alright, guys. Yep, this is way better, guys. This gives us a better observation, guys. We're in a clear uptrend for Crypto.com. Crypto.com, they're recently surging because they just released an NFT marketplace, guys. They literally just released an NFT marketplace. That's how bullish NFTs are. That is how bullish NFTs are, and that's all I could really say. Just the bullish momentum in the NFT space is really picking up, guys. And now Crypto.com, getting a slight correction. Hopefully we don't make a lower low. Actually, no, I am hoping we do, so I could make my position and then buy in. Because I used to have it down here, and then this happened, and then you guys get the rest. I sold around this spot. I sold around down here. Like, it's hard, man. You can't be selling, guys. I stopped selling because not only that, but I'm gonna show you guys. Hold on. Let me show you guys AMP and then the Bitcoin dominance and then the stocks. I'm just going to show you AMC Tesla and stuff. But guys, look at AMP. AMP looks like it's getting ready to rally. AMP looks like it's getting ready to rally up and take its rate back to the top if we bounce off this level of support right here, this level of trend line support. If we do, then that confirms that we're gonna keep going on an uptrend, just keep bouncing up. So watch out for AMP. If you do like AMP or watch AMP, guys, take notes. Look at the RSI, look at the MACD. Remember, blue line has to be over the red line, so we see this green. When you see this green, look at what we get, man. 17% gain from this day alone. From that 4 hour alone, actually. Let's check the day. From this day alone, up 33%. And yeah, man, I live for these gains. I live for these gains, guys. As you can see, even on the daily charts, looking like we could flip bearish. What the heck? Okay, hold on. I need to do some investigation. What the fuck? Look at that huge red candle. I guess it doesn't show, but still, holy freaking holy crap, dude. Anyway, I'm not gonna get into that. That's too much. That's too much, guys. Anyway, let's reset this chart. Okay. All right, guys, let's go check out the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance, it had a little bounce down here. Looks like we are due for a bounce. We might go up, but we've seen some overhead resistance at 45%. Guys, hopefully Bitcoin dominance goes even more down. You know, we don't, as much as we love Bitcoin, Charles, we love it even more when the Bitcoin dominance is very low. All right, I'm just gonna say that right there. We love it even more when the Bitcoin dominance is low. And the total market cap is sitting at roughly almost 2.9 trillion. Almost at 2.9 trillion, guys. All-time high right here. We had its all-time high. Almost at 3 trillion. Yesterday technically did hit 3 trillion. But, you know, we had to get our pullback after that all-time high. Anyway, guys, AMC, it broke out of this trend line. But, you know, it came back down inside at the end of the day. At the end of the trading day, it came back inside. You know, I bought a little something. You know, it's a good buy opportunity before we go straight parabolic up. Or this could have been just temporarily, and now we're going back down in here and, you know, just following down this correction. Possibly retrace back to 34. Hopefully we don't see that again. 34, 33. But if we do, have cash on the side to buy in, guys. Have cash on the side. You would want to cash in. Don't get left out in the storm, guys. Because when these stocks, also when these meme stocks, these growth stocks, when they fly, they fly. Remember what happened? This is a whole 1000% gain. Not 1000%, but you see what I mean, guys. This is a really huge gain. Technically 1000%, I think. That's what it's speculated. Or I think it was just 100%. I don't know. But Tesla's turned into a buy today, guys. I bought a little. Sorry about that. I bought a little in today just to establish my position back in Tesla. Because as you guys know, or you probably don't know, I was talking to someone else about that. But I had a whole Tesla stock back when it was around 500, 600. Now look where it's trading at. Imagine I didn't sell, man. Anyway, let's look at Tesla. Tesla's looking like it's going down. It's gonna go straight down. It's just overbought at this point. We're going down for Tesla. Maybe buyers could buy in at this support line. I hope not. I hope we bring it back down to at least 900. At least the 900s before that happens. But if not, I'm glad I still made my position in. This isn't financial advice, but look into Tesla, guys. Tesla is a very strong company. Tesla's a strong company. Apple, you know, we don't really need to look into Apple. Let's check Microsoft. Microsoft is looking like it's gonna pull back some. Just a little bit. We got some resistance here at the all-time high. We'll definitely be retracing back and coming back down, guys. Let's actually look at Gamestop real quick. I did some technical analysis on this yesterday. Gamestop is actually breaking down. It broke down below this bottom trend line, so we didn't manage to. Well, still a high low, but still, guys, this pumpage, it could come down some a little bit. As you can see, the red line did cross over the blue line, so we will go down. We will be going down soon, in my opinion. All right. Let's check out coin market cap. Let's just see. Check this out real quick. Yeah, you see 2.9 trillion. Binance coin down 2% in the day. Solana down 2%. Guys, did we look at Solana? Yeah, we did look at Solana. Oh, Shiba Inu is what we didn't look at. Guys, let's look at Shiba Inu. I haven't checked out the Shibster in a while. Shiba Inu on the US dollar coin. No, not Coinbase, dude. I don't know. Yeah, in the US dollar coin. No, dude. Not again. Not on Doge. Yeah. Oh my god, man. Shucks, man. Now I gotta do this for you. On the Binance. SHIB USD. I'll just do Tether then. I don't know what the difference is, guys, but Shiba Inu, we're holding some support at the 5, at the 0.55, the 0.0000555. Let's draw our lines. Let's draw our lines. We do see some resistance coming in here, but more realistically, guys, we're looking at this. More specifically, we're looking at this. This is our bottom line support, and our trend line is going a little bit up. Not sure if we could continue this bearish momentum. I'm not sure how long Shiba Inu will keep us waiting. If you're holding the Shiba Inu bag, guys, based on this, looks like we're just about getting rejected here. We could bounce off this apex. Test all-time high again. I'm not sure. I haven't seen any type of news regarding Shiba Inu, so yeah, I'm not really sure. Oh, let me mention, guys, Dogecoin just recently posted out an upgrade. They had an upgrade to their network just recently yesterday, for lower transaction fees and faster transactions. So that's huge. And that is huge news, especially if you're a long-term Dogecoin hodler. If you're a long-term Dogecoin hodler and you're true to this community, you're true to the mission and all this, that, and the third for Dogecoin, guys. Honestly, we could see a bounce coming in soon. We could see some massive adoptions coming in soon. Guys, it's just gonna go crazy. It's just gonna go crazy, guys. Alright, let's check out the crypto fear and greed chart. Let's give it a minty refresh. Today we actually jumped 10% to 84. Greed has jumped to 84 after the all-time high, guys. Not only that, but let's check out, guys. Where is it? The altcoin season index. We're almost there. We are getting traced back because then, guys, this follows the kind of the Bitcoin dominance chart. Because remember, guys, if the Bitcoin dominance goes down, that means altcoins are going up. Because that means money's flowing out of Bitcoin and into altcoins, or altcoins are getting the whole benefit of the markets. But IMO altcoin season is coming in next month. I mean, altcoin month is coming in next month, or after next month, and then altcoin season's probably gonna come in February, March. In my opinion, that's what I'm speculating, to be honest. Yeah, that's all I really had to show you guys. Unfortunately, I haven't been having any news for you guys because I just haven't been keeping up with the market as per se, like newsworthy things to report back to you guys. All this stuff you could literally go on YouTube yourself or Google yourself, search it up, download apps like Yahoo Financial, download Delta, download TradeView. TradeView, this app right here, TradeView, you guys could download that on your phone. I'll probably leave in the description things to look into, like crypto channels to look into, as well as crypto apps to look at, apps for like stocks, not just crypto but stocks that you could look into, so you could expand your knowledge. Because guys, I'm only here to give you I'm only really here to give you guys the technicals, because that's what I know, that's what I do. What I don't do is much research, because I'm more of a technical guy. I like to technically analyze what's really going on in the market, and then from what I speculate through this data, I go in and then I do my research after. So I'll do this first and then my research, and then the next day I'll report to you what I researched. But honestly, guys, if you do want to do your own research, remember, You guys gotta stick to a coin. To you got the research that you do has to be for coins that you're not just in there for the money, but in there for the utility, as well as the long-term use case, and whether they will survive the bear market. Remember, guys, you got to get coins. I'm about to be real with y'all, guys. You guys got to get coins that are gonna survive the bear market. If you get coins that are not fit to even survive a bear market, then clearly you're not in this market for the right reasons. Your coin has to have at least hundreds of thousands of millions in their market cap, hundreds of thousands of, or hundreds of millions or tens of millions of dollars in their 24-hour trading volume. Guys, all this stuff plays an effect. All this stuff plays an effect, guys. And there's not much I can really say. Not much I can really say, guys. I really hope you guys do your own research. At the end of the day, make sure you're planning for your future as well. Every time you invest, plan for your future. Make sure you're making the right decisions and limit your risks. All right, make sure you're willing to lose what you want to lose. Betting on stocks, betting on crypto that could 10x, on options that could double your money, guys. You gotta differentiate what you're willing to lose and what you're willing to invest. You feel me? You wouldn't want to put $1 million. You wouldn't want, say for example, you have $1 million. You wouldn't want to put more than 50 of that in Shiba Inu. And you wouldn't want to put 750,000 in Shiba Inu and then 250,000 in Bitcoin. That's not smart. That's not smart at all. You gotta allocate. You gotta set your portfolio up so that regardless you're ready for any season and you're not ready for a huge crash in your portfolio. Guys, hold on. Let me see if I could do something for you guys real quick. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna actually show you guys my portfolio. All right, I'm going to show you guys my portfolio. Now look at this. Look at these gains, guys. And I don't care if you guys see what I got at this point. I just want you guys to learn and look. Around here was literally when I made my first investment into crypto. And then the whole bull market started. And then here, remember here, guys, when crypto bottomed out, if you guys were around this area the whole summer, crypto legit crashed down, but I weathered this storm, and look what happened in the following few months. What I was doing here, I was stocking up. I was getting my money. I was getting to it. I was buying more positions so that I'm set up, so that I set myself up to win in the end of this. Cause I'm not here to lose. I'm not here to lose at all. And look, my position is sitting real pretty right now. I really can't complain. I really can't complain, guys. Just sitting back and making all this money. In a year, I made more. I 5x'd my initial investment, guys. Just because I stayed consistent. Note down these key phrases: consistence, patience, discipline. Those are the three main. Those are the three main vocabularies that I'm gonna spit to you guys, so you guys know what you gotta do. You gotta be disciplined. You guys gotta be patient. You guys gotta stay consistent. Staying consistent. Just all three of these tie together. They tie together in some way, man. And hold on, not bad, guys. I've been rambling on now. It's only gonna get noisier outside, so I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut this video short right here. You guys get the gist of what I'm trying to say. This is only just like the scratch of my portfolio. And as you guys can see, hold on, let me give you guys. All right, look at this. So my strongest holding right now is Bitcoin and Dogecoin. Ideally, you would want Bitcoin and Ethereum to be your strongest holdings. Want to know why? Well, that's because you want the ones that are more stable to have most of your money. Those are called pillars, blue chips. Bitcoin and Ethereum are technically blue chips, blue chip crypto. So you want to keep those there, so no matter what happens, whether we're in Bitcoin season, altcoin season, a bear market, you have something that's consistently going up and making your money not look like a crazy mess like this. Like this right here, what happened here. Like I would more rather not go through this ever again than not know what I'm invested in. And at the time, guys, literally before this cycle right here, I didn't know what I was doing in this market. I had no clue as to what I was doing in this market, and I rest assured, I'll take that to the bank, guys. I did not know what I was doing, and I hope you guys don't go through this. I hope you guys learn from my mistakes, so you guys could manage and be on top of this, and hopefully, I'm trying to. You guys are clearly watching this because you want to learn, and I'm trying to turn you guys into teachers. So if I show you a whole different portfolio, you'll see that my portfolio is very well allocated. Bitcoin and Ethereum, my strongest holds, and then everything else has small gains. I have like less than 20% of my portfolio is in everything else, while Bitcoin and Ethereum has my strongholds. And then as soon as it goes to altcoin season, I take my profits out of Bitcoin and Ethereum. While those cool down and have their correction, the altcoins are going crazy. But even though Bitcoin and altcoin, they don't really move per se the same way. So as soon as Bitcoin season ends, altcoin and Ethereum have most of my money, which is riding it up, while Bitcoin's consolidating. And as I wait for Ethereum and the altcoins to triple, double, quadruple, whatever it does to my money, I'm ready to pull out from Ethereum and all the altcoins. And as soon as Bitcoin's ready to gear up, my position in Bitcoin's already built up. It's already built up and it's ready to go up. Guys, you gotta think of this in cycles. You gotta figure out what the cycles are in crypto. This is really important for you guys to know. Really important, guys. Alright, I'm gonna leave it at that now. It didn't get noisy outside, but I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna let this all marinate. Go home with this. Tell your mom, tell your father, tell your uncle, tell your aunt, tell your tell everybody, tell the whole world, guys. I'm out here spitting out some crypto education. I want you guys to be learned. I want you guys to learn. I want you guys to be consistent. I want you guys to embrace this education. All right. Make sure you like and subscribe if you learned something today. Leave it down in a comment below. I'll see you guys next time. Mangu out.